Hello everyone! This video is something I'm not so good at, but I did in the past. I never made a video like this, but I was like, oh, okay, let's do it. So basically, as you can see by the title, how to make a t-shirt out of tights. It's not really a t-shirt, it's more like an accessory kind of thing that you'd wear under a top, so excuse the hair by the way, it is 24 degrees out, and I'm dying. I went to walk to the shopping centre near me to buy these because I haven't made them in forever. And I was dying, to say the least. I was dying. I'm gonna put up a picture of what I was wearing on Instagram because I really liked the outfit, but I had to take like part of it off because it was just too hot. Anyway, so I decided, hey, let's go to Penny's, Primark, and buy these. So if you can't see those, they've got polka dots on them. Now, I opened them up, I thought they were going to be skin coloured. They're black, apparently not. Maybe they're like, I don't know, are they super see-through? No, they look like that. So, that's what it's going to look like. So essentially, yeah, here's how to do it. So, what you're going to want to do is, you're going to need your tight scissors. So at the end of the tights, what you're going to first want to do is take off like the little toe bits. So I'd recommend doing that maybe together, I'm not sure. First of all, just take off a small bit just in case they are too short or too long, depending on how you want them. So now that you've got that off, what next you want to do to make the hole for your neck, which is anytime I used to do them, they would always end up being like around here and they'd just be too big. So basically, you know the way in tights they have this little thing here? So just that little crotch bit. You don't have to take out the entire thing if you don't want to. I never used to because I felt that would always make it a bit too wide around here. So what you're going to want to do is make a tiny like V, or you can do that shape with it. So I've got the crotch here, and I'm just going to cut a circle into it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show that on camera, but we'll try. So, what you're going to be left with is a small hole that looks like that. Now don't worry, it will stretch once it's on you. So, I'm going to go put this on and we'll see how it looks, and we'll see if we want to make any adjustments after. So, I have it on, so I may have cut it a bit too low. I feel like I have. But basically what I had to do is, instead of doing the tiny small incision with the scissors, I had to go around and actually cut the full little crotch bit off because my head just would not fit through it. But basically, and I cut off a little bit off the sleeves as well. So now, if you want to make any specific adjustments to it, as in like if you want to make thumb holes, or if you want to cut them so they come up to here, or if you want to do whatever. So to make thumb holes, you're going to want to cut just about here and cut exactly where your thumb hits, right? It's the same with the other hand. Now, what I like to do is I like to make little like what are they called? Little ladders and little netty things in them to make it look more netted. So I'm gonna go do that. So how do you do that? What you're just gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take the scissors and basically just kind of stab into it a little bit. I know that sounds ridiculous, and if you want to make a letter, you pull down, and if you want to make them wider, so on and so forth. So please be careful while you're doing this. So you'd be making incisions like these. You can make as many holes as you want, and you can make them bigger so they look like that. I would recommend making bigger holes, smaller holes, whatever holes you want to make. So yeah, stuff like that. And do them all the way down so they don't look so, what's the word? So they don't look extremely bought. If you like that look, of course you can pull that off, I'm sure. So then, to make the ladders, you just pull. Now, I do want to make thumb holes, so I'm going to go off and do that, but basically you get the idea of just putting in holes. And now, I cannot stress enough Please be so unbelievably careful when you're doing this. I do not want any of you being like, oh, I accidentally slit my arm or accidentally cut my arm. Please just be careful. If you want to make them another way, maybe put your foot through it or your leg and do it that way and pull it up and do it. But anyway, that's essentially how you make these top things, and it looks like this underneath. So that's where the top's going to be. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was informative. There are other videos out there of better ones, like, I don't know if any of you guys know the YouTuber Toxic Tears. I've been watching her since like 2013, 2014. She's one of the best goth YouTubers in the goth subculture. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will leave a link to her video in the description because she does ones about like putting holes in tights and how to make them kind of look cool and gothy. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!